Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2020 Porsche Cayman GT4. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. I would like for you to know that the front bumper does have some chips. Okay, so let's have a look at the hood of the car. And I would like for you to know that there are two small little dents right here. But everything else looks fine. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. This door looks fine. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on here at all. Everything looks good. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move along to the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips. And also the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no scratches or dents here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches, paint chips, or dents here. Everything is in excellent condition. And now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches on the fender, no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Excellent. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. The leather and suede look fine. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear on this door panel. The leather and suede look fine. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Everything here looks good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the radio or AC buttons. Also, the performance buttons are in good condition as well. And the shifter has no wear and tear. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the leather and stitching is in excellent condition. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And now the front trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.